Here we are, Daytona Bike Week 2026. Thought I'd do something a little bit different this year. Usually do individual videos for each of the things we do, but I'm just going to do a compilation of all the Indian stuff, because whilst we did ride our Harleys up here, one day we've mostly been involved with the Indian community and doing a bunch of the owners events that are put on. So I thought we'd take you through the Owners Ride on Daytona. We'd take you through today, King of the Baggers at the Daytona International Speedway. And we're going to take you through the Indian only bike show and the ladies, first ever ladies ride. Come along and check it out. Should have some fun. G'day YouTube, welcome to Drop Bear Moto. Early start this one. It's it's actually day 2 of Bike Week 2026, but it's day 1 of the Indian Owners events. So just met up with a couple of folks at a gas station, as you do. We're about 30 minutes from home, left our place about 6:30 this morning. We're going to roll on up and get ready for the first event, which is the Owners Ride. Mike Kennedy, the new CEO, Carrie Hart, Big B, Carl and Retta from Forever Rad, they're going to be out leading this one, maybe some other people. So let's get on up there, let's check it out, see what's happening. As you can see, not ideal weather, but it is starting to look pretty clear out there. So I think we've just got wet roads and I think we're through the worst of it. But it was a rough night, massive storms, and kept us awake most of the night. So we'll certainly try and stay awake and bring this one to you. Let's rock and roll. So here we are in the Daytona dealership. Lots of activity happening here today. So we're going to head out on the ride shortly. We've got a breakfast. We're going to catch up with a bunch of friends. Got Mike Kennedy is here. I saw Big B and Carrie Hart outside before. We had a chat to Carl and Retta from Forever Rad. All the Stennisgaard's here. It's an awesome thing about the community is these guys come out, they talk to the customers, they talk to the people. They ride with us, they get to understand what's happening out there. You know, they really are on the ground with the riders, with the customers, which is awesome to see. So, I'm going to hang out here for a bit, check out some of the cool bikes, get out on the ride. We've got a police escort, we're going to do the Daytona Loop, so it should be fun. Come along.
videos. You better subscribe to his YouTube videos. Yeah.
So we just got back from the Owners Ride out of the Daytona dealership. I'm here with the Daytona IMRG president, Fran, and that was an awesome ride, mate. I really appreciate
glad you really enjoyed
your chapter does to make these happen. So good ride.
All right. I mean, our group, we put a lot into it. There's a lot of planning goes into these rides, and the best part about these rides is at the end of the ride when nobody gets hurt. We know that everybody got through, and we had 250 motorcycles. I can't say enough for the Florida Highway Patrol. They were here last year. They're here this year. They do an awesome job. We had a great turnout today. I want to remind everybody we have a ladies ride tomorrow. That's our first annual ladies ride, so try to get there if you can. And we have Indian Ladies First from Europe attending, and they are a guest of honor this year.
That's going to be awesome. So we'll cover that one as well on Drop Bear, but I just want to say a huge thank you to the Daytona chapter. They're a great bunch of people. They do an awesome job. Rides every single day out of this dealership through Bike Week, through Biketoberfest. So if you're ever in town, come meet Fran and his
you come
team.
And ride with us anytime. You come and ride with us. You can't beat it.
Awesome. That's great. Thank you very much for organising. I appreciate it. Cheers. Today we're at the Ace Cafe in Sanford again. This time though, this is a very special ride. It's the ladies ride. That's the first time this has been done. So Indian Ladies First and the IMRG Daytona chapter have put together a ride to celebrate all the awesome women out there that ride motorcycles and are passengers on motorcycles. It's pretty cool. It's open to everyone. It's open to every style of bike, so we should see a few different bikes as well. Awesome day today, as I said. We're here, we've got the ladies ride. I'm here with May and Kat, who representing Indian Ladies First.
Yes, sir.
What can we expect today?
Well, today we're expecting a ladies ride. We're expecting about between 50 and 70 riders. Everybody's welcome, so it's not just the ladies, but the guys who support the ladies. And yeah, possibly Secret Mike Kennedy might be here. I don't know yet if he's riding with us, but everything is possible. And here we are representing Indian Ladies First. Kat, would you like to say something about the ladies?
Yes, we're a group of women, international group coming around. If you own an Indian motorcycle or you're a passenger, we're welcome to have you in our group. Just empowering women and lady riders out there, so it's pretty cool.
Absolutely. No, it's going to be a great day. The weather's going to be good today as well, better than yesterday.
The weather looks fantastic.
Yeah, so today's all about the ladies. We're going to make sure that they feel a strong part of the community, and we celebrate our female riders out there. So thank you for putting this on, girls.
Thank you, Richard.
Thank you.
Cheers. Have a good day. So we're at like the, I don't know, third event now, and this is the first Indian-only custom motorcycle show. So first time we've had Indians only, Indian motorcycle Daytona Beach. They always have the Rat's Hole show, several other custom shows, but first time they've done Indians only. So let's check out what's here.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages.
So I think we're now at the fourth event. This is the second Saturday. We did sneak up here for a day on our Harleys, but we won't count that for the Indian video. We at the Speedway today, as you can see. All sorts of fun stuff. We get access to an area out the front of the Speedway. Get a free lunch out there, get to hang with my friends, get to come in the circuit here, get to go and look at the action on the track. And the King of the Baggers first race today, we've got Indian on 1, 2 and 3. And our man, the Aussie, is on pole position. It's so awesome to see. And we got a hot lap. Let's check this out. track. I'm with Dan, the rider's shipmate, who's been a long time follower of the channel and bumped into us at Harley one day. So we're about to go and ride this lap, but we'll see when we get back. Let's do it. He just got those handguards from Brian Clock at Clockworks. Not even released yet. Looks super sick. Let's go. We're about to go and take a lap of the track. Apparently we've got to keep it under 40 miles an hour. Let's see. Daytona, baby.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in
So the last of the owner events today. Today is the second Saturday of Bike Week. Finishes up tomorrow. Unfortunately, on our way to the Indian dealer in Seminole County, or Sanford, we have hit road problems. Instead of being the good husband and fixing my wife's motorcycle, I'm standing here filming it while the boys are hard at work. The shift linkage is broken on a bike, so now we're having a cable tie off.
Let me see.
Eric, what you got?
Probably.
These are 8-inch and bending.
Might be in bad over here.
All right, what do we got?
Oh, we went to the same store, I see.
Yeah.
Yours got a curve in it.
I got a little curve.
Mine is straight. Mine is straight. Like,
Yeah.
with a little bit, just to grab it.
I hear the curve's a good thing, man.
What? Curve's a good thing. The curve, the ladies like the curve.
All right, we gotta go fix the Challenger now. So we made it through, despite a little bit of bike issues, to Sanford, Sky Power Sports Sanford, which is the Indian of Seminole County dealership. As you can see in the background here. So bikes are rolling in and lining up for the ride. Let's have a look at a few of them. Thanks for helping us out today. Thank you. Hey, good to see ya. Thank you. This is the ride out of the Seminole dealership. These rides are put on by the IMRGs, and I'm here with David, who's the president of the IMRG of the Sanford chapter.
That's correct. IMRG 2059.
2059,
North
there you go.
Central Florida.
Excellent. So what can we expect today on the ride?
We have a beautiful ride set up. We're starting here at the dealership. We're gonna, it's not necessarily police led, but they're gonna help us get out in the intersection so we can just smoothly get out. And we're gonna go around Lake Monroe, beautiful Lake Monroe. It's a nice little ride right next to the lake. It's very picturesque. People who hopefully have their cameras ready. It's a nice little ride. It'll be great. It should take about an hour, and we're gonna loop around and end up at Ace Cafe here in Sanford.
Awesome spot.
Yep.
That's
so,
great.
Yeah, we're gonna have a good time. It should be a lot of fun.
That's awesome. Good to see you, mate. Thank you very much for that. Thank you for you and the crew for organising this one.
Hey, it's our turn.
Absolutely, it is. Good luck today.
All right, bud.
Cheers,
See you
Dave.
next time.
And an awesome thing on this one, anyone that follows Drop Bear Moto knows you got to get a proper coffee. Here we are, Zane Coffee, and I can confirm it is a freaking proper coffee, awesome coffee. So check those guys out on Instagram if you're looking for a coffee cart in this sort of area. They can bring one out and set up for your event, and I would highly recommend Drop Bear Moto approved. Here she is, the birthday girl!
Oh, 60 years old, I survived.
Happy birthday. I hope you have an awesome day.
Thank you, I will, darling.
Thank you. Hello, mate.
How you doing, sir?
Good to see you. You on parking duty?
Yes, I'm trying to work.
Trying to work? I'll let it work. Thanks, mate. Bikes are about to roll out, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed lots of footage. If so, give us a like, give us a subscribe, drop a comment, all that good stuff. But let me leave you with the sight of all the bikes rolling out of the Seminole dealer. Let's check that out.